friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video we're going to do the unboxing of the latest budget smartphone from Infinix, the Infinix Hot 8. So Infinix Hot series has been really popular. They come up with some really good devices. Now we have the Hot 8. So a few months back we had the Hot 7 and Hot 7 Pro. Now we have the Hot 8 coming up. So it has 4GB RAM and 64GB storage being offered. That's the basic specifications, and this is also probably priced 699. We are yet to get the final confirmation on the pricing, but this is pretty good in terms of the pricing as well. Now looking at the hardware aspect, this is powered by the MediaTek Helio P22 octa-core processor, clocked at 2 GHz, and this has 4GB RAM and 64GB storage. It has a 6.52 inches HD plus resolution display, AI triple camera, 8 megapixel front camera, and a large 5000 mAh capacity battery, and all at the price of rupees 699. That's what you can expect. So the pricing is not officially announced. We expect it to be really good in terms of the pricing as well. So let's get started with the unboxing. So this is the box package. So Infinix Hot 8, and the back of the box mentions the important specifications. We have 5000 mAh capacity battery, 6.52 HD plus water drop notch, triple rear cameras, direct sound mode, then face and fingerprint unlock is there, Android 9.0 Pie, and made in India branding. So let's open the box package and we'll show you what all comes inside the box. And this also comes with a triple camera, 13 megapixel primary camera, then 2 megapixel depth sensor, and we also have a low light sensor included. So let's just take the device out. So you can see this is the device, Infinix Hot 8. Let's go to the back of the box. You can see that it comes in a pretty good color. This is the cyan variant. Let's peel off these stickers. So you can see that it comes with triple slot. That means dedicated SD card slot is included. So let's just peel off the sticker, and the front also has the sticker. Now let's boot the device. So you can see that this has a triple camera setup. Primary camera is a 13 megapixel camera, then low light sensor is there, then a 2 megapixel depth sensor is also included, and this has face detection autofocus, and the front camera is an 8 megapixel camera. So probably the cheapest triple rear camera smartphone. Then we can see that Hot branding and also Infinix branding here. So there is a fingerprint scanner as well. So let's just boot the device. In the meantime, let's see what else comes inside the box. So we have the standard charger, the micro USB charger. Then let's see the adapter. So let's see the voltage rating. So it is the basic charger, 5 volt 2 ampere, 10 watt charging is included. Then you also get a case included. So this is the user manual and warranty information, and there is a pretty good case. You can see a pattern on the back of the case. It looks pretty good. This we have seen even on the Infinix smartphone as well, so that is pretty good here as well. So this is the TPU case included with the box package. So we also have a screen guard available in the box package in case you want to protect the display. So that's the Infinix Hot 8. You can see that it has a large 6.53 inches HD plus resolution display, and you can see the display quality as such looks pretty good for the budget segment. The viewing angles are acceptable, and the touch response also feels pretty smooth, and you can also see the colors are pretty much vibrant, and the brightness levels are again pretty good. So overall we feel Infinix has done a pretty good job considering the price segment. So it's slightly on the higher side in terms of the weight. You can see that it is pretty heavy because it's a large display, and also 5000 mAh capacity battery definitely makes the devices heavy. Now let's go to the software. So we have the Android 9.0. On top of this we have the iOS. So that's the UI. So you can see that some additional options like gesture supported, then smart panel is included, then themes and lock screen customizations are included. So it's a customizable UI and feels quite smooth. Now this is powered by the Helio P22 octa-core processor, which is kind of a budget chipset, and this does give some decent performance. It's definitely better than the Helio A22, and this is P22 is definitely better in terms of performance. So it is being provided on the Infinix Hot 8 as well. Now that's the performance and software side. Now let's have a look at the camera. So this device comes with a primary 13 megapixel camera, a secondary 2 megapixel depth sensor, and there is also a low light camera included. Now you can see that HDR mode is there, AI video recording. Let's see, it's 1080p resolution, which is again pretty good. There is beauty mode, bokeh mode, AR shot, and few other modes are also included with this device. So now let's go to some camera samples we are taken with this device. So you can see that these are some samples we are taken with the Infinix Hot 8 after unboxing the device. The device also comes with a large 5000 mAh capacity battery, and that's the reason the device is slightly on the heavier side, but this should be able to give you some really good battery life when using the device. So that is unboxing and hands-on with the Infinix Hot 8. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do hit that like button and also hit the subscribe button for more videos. This is Nirmal signing off. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.